In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant in Zoho Books. Inviting your accountant directly into Zoho Books is a great way to streamline your bookkeeping and give them the access they need without sharing your own login details. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Books. Log into your Zoho Books account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you should land on your Zoho Books dashboard or homepage, where you can see your organization's financial overview. From here, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the main settings area for your organization. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of different configuration options for Zoho Books. Find and select the section labeled Users and Roles. This is where you manage who has access to your Zoho Books account and what they are allowed to do. Click on Users and Roles to continue. Within the Users and Roles section, make sure you're on the Users tab. This tab shows you a list of all the users who currently have access to your Zoho Books organization, along with their roles and status. Once you're on this tab, look for a button or link that says Invite Accountant. Click on Invite Accountant. This opens a form where you can enter your accountant's details. Here, you'll typically be asked for their name and email address. Make sure you type in a valid, active email address that your accountant checks regularly, because this is where their invitation link will be sent. You may also see options related to their role or access level. Review these settings carefully so your accountant has the permissions they need, but no more than necessary. After you've filled in all the required details and double-check the email address and access settings, you're ready to send the invitation. Click on Send Invite. Zoho Books will then email your accountant an invitation link. They'll need to open that email, click the link, and follow the instructions to accept the invitation and access your organization. Once they accept, you'll see your accountant listed as an active user under the Users tab, and they'll be able to log in